Alright guys, so I made this thing as in the last short. It's a storm chasing vehicle. You can see the car in there. It's deployed already. 2 nails. Hold up, there's a mosquito on me. Got it. Alright. The other one. Here's the leaf blower. I got this. Come on. I built it with my heart, bro. Wow, that survived.
Now closer.
Next one. Alright. It's this big from here to there.
Right.
Yeah.
Let's see if it.
Alright, first level. Wow, that survived. So I accidentally exited out of YouTube. Next try. It's this close. It's on that line. I think next we're gonna do it like right there. So let's keep it moving. Alright, this is on max. It's on max. That almost died. Alright. The first level. Let's see if it can survive the first level.
This is.
Oh, it's surviving! It kind of broke.
It broke a little bit.
Alright, it broke. Just a little bit. Last test.
And final.
3, 2, 1. Hopefully it doesn't disappoint. Oh! No way! It survived! That's crazy! Alright, that's as close. This is the final level. EF6. 3, 2, 1. Oh, shoot! Oh! That's crazy! That's gonna be it, guys. Hope you like it. Goodbye, guys.